Right, the next section we're going to put in over here is the rain counter module. What that does is every time the little rain seesaw flips, it keeps track of that by registering an actual count inside the chip. The idea being of having a separate chip is that if the big chip is busy doing something else and it's raining quite heavily, then the little M8 has nothing else to do, and what happens is every time the big chip reports, it asks the M8 if there's any changes, and it actually sends it a number back on RS232 on the board. The M8 is actually connected with two connector wires to make it work. It's unfortunate, but it was by the time I got to this stage I was running out of ways to path things around the board. Right, so we've put the M8 chip in there, we've put the software connector in and the rain connector. Run the software down, and as you can see, if you touch the rain connector, you actually do get the chip light, the LED to light up, so that if you press it hard enough it goes off. You just touch it, it flickers, just to show that the chip is actually measuring and that everything's running properly. If you've run the two wires as well, which you need to do, these two wires connect it to the main pickaxe, you'll notice that the pickaxe then will actually go through a reed, which this orange light comes on, which you have to wait sometimes up to a minute for it to do that, and if it can read the chip correctly, it will run all the way through and I'll switch back off. If not, it'll actually hang and the light will stay stood on. You can at this stage run the software on the screen, and you can start seeing some of the information coming back off the chip. It is a nice way to check things. You will also get 0 for you can see it transmitting now, and that's it, it's cleared the transmission. So if we actually check that that's come through on the computer now, we'll know that that's all running correctly.